Shifting jobs from one job to another job, it's been upside down in my life.
I'm trying to think about what do I want and what do I want my life to look like.
I always wanted to be creative, show something new to people, and inspire them.
I definitely want to work in the AI field because we know how much impact it has around the world.
I learned about the upskilling program and I thought, what do you have to lose?
I signed up for the Microsoft Skills for Jobs program. Wow, what a journey, what an experience it's been.
The focus of the program is on technology skilling, the things that will help them do a job better or actually get a job.
I've learned entrepreneurship, software development, systems admin, generative AI, especially Copilot. It just simplifies life.
Using AI has made me so much faster. It really expands the scope of the things that you can be good at.
It's really helpful to have the support of Microsoft. They give the opportunity for everybody.
There are going to be a bunch of people coming out with really great new careers that are really well paying, that have these cutting edge skills, that have room for growth. It really is life transforming.
I am currently employed thanks to this program.
I myself get placed in my first internship experience. It's given that hope for me.
In the future, I want to work in the industry of traveling or advertisement because those two domains use a lot of AI.
Education has a huge transformative role to play everywhere.
It was a bright light in a very dark time.
I'm more confident.
I've learned the ability to never give up, the ability to stop doubting yourself. If you want something, go for it.